a poem by William Wordsworth entitled The Education of Nature. 3 years she grew in sun and shower. Then nature said, a lovelier flower on earth was never sown. This child I to myself will take. She shall be mine, and I will make a lady of my own. Myself will to my darling be both love and impulse, and with me the girl in rock and plain, in earth and heaven, in glade and bower, shall feel an overseeing power to kindle or restrain. She shall be as sportive as the fawn that wild with glee across the lawn or up the mountain springs, and hers shall be the breathing palm, and hers the silence and the calm of mute insensate things. The floating clouds their state shall lend to her, for her the willow bend, nor shall she fail to see, even in the motions of the storm, grace that shall mold the maiden's form by silent sympathy. The stars of midnight shall be dear to her, and she shall lean her ear in many a secret place where rivulets dance their wayward round, and beauty born of murmuring sound shall pass into her face, and vital feelings of delight shall rear her form to stately height, her virgin bosom swell. Such thoughts to Lucy I will give, while she and I together live. Here is the happy tale. Thus nature spake, thus nature spake. The work was done. How soon my Lucy's race was run. She died and left to me this heat, this calm and quiet scene, the memory of what has been and never more will be.